So here we are in Nytorv, which is where we have the most luxurious shops in the airport. And our strategy is really to be sure that we are delivering these extraordinary shopping experiences to our passengers. So new shops, new concepts, new brands needs to be first in Copenhagen Airport before they go anywhere else in Scandinavia. For instance, here we have Bottega Veneta, which is the newest one, and soon we will see a lot of changes. Also having Bang & Olufsen, which will be the first one in the airport as well, and then we will have Max Mara and big extension of a new Hugo Boss shop, as well as Hermes, which will be double size as the one that we have today. So a lot of things will go on in 2014 in Nytorv, and we do expect that will give us even better passenger ratings, and our passengers will be really pleased about shopping in the airport.